In countless cities, the use of e-bikes by all types of people continues to rise, and we think this is great. But as their prevalence increases, how can we better accommodate for them and even encourage more people to give e-bikes a try? Here are 5 principles for building for e-bikes. When we think of e-bikes, we think fast, heavy, and importantly, expensive. That's why it's so important to accommodate for the parking and safe storage of e-bikes. Making considerations for secure spaces that minimize the risk of theft are important. Neighborhood parking areas with limited or keyed access, community or business bike lockers, or spaces monitored by staff and/or cameras give people more peace of mind. Parking areas that are safe, legible, and direct and easy to access remove many of the barriers to e-bike usage. Obvious entryways, free of unnecessary obstacles or detours, make it comfortable for all types of users, with racks that are easy to use and provide enough space for the bikes. And of course, having covered charging stations available for when the bike is ready are a benefit to ensuring the bike is not only safely stored for when you need it next, but also ready to go. Having a smooth path to travel on is something all active modes appreciate. For e-bikes, however, as a tool often used for longer distances, a route free of cobblestones or gravel make a long trip more comfortable and therefore more likely for people to regularly choose. At the same time, considerations for unnecessary obstacles in the path like poles, trees, or signage should be made. Tight, blind corners, and even priority for bikes at intersections all help to improve the quality of the ride, making e-bikes a more attractive option and leading to happier riders. With a heavy e-bike, changes in elevation can be a challenge for any rider. Ramps at stairwells to parking areas and other public spaces make rolling an e-bike up or down a little smoother. To make it even easier, some train stations even feature parking areas that allow the user to ride straight in, with dedicated e-bike parking areas that remove all needs to lift the bike at all. One of the attractions to choosing an e-bike is the ability to maintain a steady speed for a comfortable ride to your destination. Just as limiting obstructions are important, providing wider pathways and bike lanes with a width of around 3 meters or 10 feet allows users to comfortably pass slower cyclists or even enjoy riding side by side with a friend. The key to wayfinding in any context is 1. Announce, 2. Redirect, and 3. Confirm. Since e-bike users are typically traveling faster, signage should also be made larger and higher to ensure visibility. In the Netherlands, wayfinding is done with knooppunten, route markers numbered to allow users to easily map their route, and red wayfinding signs indicating the direction and distance to nearby cities and destinations. Combined, this means no matter where they are in the country, the wayfinding makes it clear where they are and how to get to where they're going. E-bikes are a great tool for extending a person's range and giving them a sustainable travel option. By making day-to-day use easier, we can encourage more people to give it a try for a less car-dependent and fun way to get around.